Welcome to this technical guide on the MacBook. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're unable to access your files because your MacBook's hard drive is stuck, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to several reasons, such as a mechanical failure or corruption of files, and it's crucial to address it swiftly. If left unresolved, you risk losing valuable data or experiencing further damage to your device. Now, let's get started on the tools you'll need for this repair. Firstly, you will require a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. Additionally, keep a clean workspace and some soft cloths handy to protect your MacBook's surface. To begin the repair, ensure your MacBook is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Place it upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the lower case. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the lower case off, ensuring not to force it as this could damage the clips. Now, let's locate the hard drive. It's typically situated near the bottom left corner of the device. Look for a metal bracket that secures the hard drive in place. You'll need to remove the screws holding this bracket using the T5 Torx screwdriver. Be cautious while handling these screws, they can be quite small, so take your time. After removing the bracket, you can gently lift the hard drive out. Be careful with the connection cable, you don't want to yank it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To replace the hard drive, simply disconnect the cable by lifting the connector carefully with the spudger. Then, you can install your new hard drive by reversing the steps. Connect the cable to the new hard drive, place it back into the compartment, and secure it with the bracket and screws you removed earlier. Once everything is in place, gently reattach the lower case of your MacBook and secure it with the P5 screws. Make sure everything is tightened properly but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Now, turn your MacBook back on and check if you can access your files. If the problem persists, it may require professional attention. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure you regularly back up your files and keep your device updated with the latest software. This can help avoid potential hard drive failures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.